How you doing? This is on. What is going on? Is the head Nazi here?
Next door.
Thanks.
So that's how my morning started. Isn't that lovely? Aren't you? Oh man, I'm telling you.
I have this on too. So,
For what reason?
because Nazis do stuff that they shouldn't do. Why isn't anyone calling
Do
me?
you want to come up and take care of this gentleman, please? He has papers in his
Alright, so what's up?
Why isn't anyone calling me?
He's recording.
And then, yeah, this is on. Now, I sent a letter before to the sheriff. No response. Everything that they've done in this case has been illegal.
Is this left at your house?
Yes.
So this is against you?
Yes.
Or is it just against a resident?
Well, any other time they had a card that I found that had my name on it instead of residence, and now they're putting residence. But they didn't knock on my door. They didn't call me.
Okay.
This whole case involves an ex-tenant. The judge refuses to follow the Constitution, which is mainly the Seventh Amendment of the Constitution, which entitles me to a jury trial. They've denied me witnesses. They've done this judgment without me even having due process or even having a hearing. And I told the sheriff about this. There's a fiduciary duty that you have to obey the law, but they just keep disregarding this whole thing.
Alright, let me look up the case. You already know what it's about then?
Yeah, and I don't have any money, and I had to ride my bike here because I don't have a phone or transportation.
Okay.
Yes. Send Jimmy over here.
So, I had to check to see what it is. So, you had a judgment against you,
Yeah, an illegal judgment. I've never even had a trial.
but you have to deal with that at the DJ's office, did you? That's how this would have been started there, right, Kim?
It started there, but this is in the county courthouse now. Corrupt Judge Dowling ruled on this thing, never even had a trial. He doesn't even want, this is in my court filings, where I've asked for a trial, stated the Constitution, the amendment. He just disregards everything.
Okay.
So they've actually got a modified to the order to the judgment for attorney fees, and they're not even entitled to attorney fees. It's so blatant, all the stuff they've done, it's like incredible.
Alright, so I think this was directed at the residents and not you at the address.
Well, how's that possible? I'm the person that owns the property. Well,
Right,
technically.
but it would, if it was for you, they would have wrote your name there,
Okay.
but they just put it for the residents to contact the office.
Okay, well, So explain that to me.
I wasn't out, so I don't know.
Yeah.
But- so that's what they're looking for. So if you want to tell them to call in, they can call in. I don't know what it's about because I don't have the paperwork.
Yeah, well, so who would have the paperwork to know what's going on? Because I don't feel like riding my bike up here every time to try to figure out what's going on.
I don't know. They still might be out with it actually because it's not for yet. So if you
Okay.
just want to wait a little bit, is it in there? Do we have it? Okay, hold on. I'll check with her.
They were there today.
So yeah, but they got this.
Yes, it was spoken.
I guess you're done. Yeah. Permit. 76.
Okay.
And when did you start? Like, when?
Alright. So the paperwork is for the residents, not the owner. So if you want to have them call, you can serve them the paperwork, and if they want, they can give you the copy.
Well, what are you talking about? I'm the resident, so this is
Do you
like,
live there?
yeah.
He's not the tenant. You're a tenant there?
He
I thought you were the landowner.
he owns it.
So then it's for the tenants.
It's for the tenants. You have apartments or something there? I don't know.
That was at my house, 5943 LaRue Street.
Right. And is that a home
Yeah,
or is it an apartment?
it's a house. It's my residence. What's even more hilarious about this thing is I have people that owe me over 5,000 some dollars. People kick in walls and do all kinds of stuff, haven't even gotten a dime from him.
For that you rent to?
Yeah, and then this is a judgment, a false judgment of like $2,000, and then I have all this crap going on.
Okay. Let me see what they're saying.
Charles, what's your address?
5943.
This is supposed to go to 5939. So they put it on the wrong house.
Well, it's my house, so what are they doing?
That's to the tenants. Who lives there?
You live at that address or this address?
I live at that address. It's my property, so what's the difference? Why are you giving something to my tenants?
Because that's what we're told to do.
That's what they ordered us to do, to serve the tenant, not the owner of the property, but the tenants that reside there. So do you have two homes there?
I have a rental property and I have that property, yeah.
So
it goes
is
to the
it not
tenants.
for him then?
No.
Okay, so this is for them at that address? Kim?
5939.
5939. Was this at 5943?
Yeah.
So they went to the wrong
Yeah, it
house.
should have gone to.
That should go to the other house.
We'll make sure it don't go there.
Alright, do you want that back?
Yeah. Well, why am I not entitled to something that's going to my property?
Because it's not addressed.
It's not for you, it's for the tenants. That's why they don't have your name on that card. Otherwise, they would have wrote your name on there.
Okay.
Okay.
So where's the sheriff at?
He's not in. He's gone for the day. I mean, he should be here tomorrow though, if you wanna come back.
Okay.
Okay.